Hello students, today I'm going to take another class on class 6 video number 3, and today the same topic I will take integers, and today I will answer the most important questions, frequently asked questions, and the problems what students feel and they need to solve in their question papers on the or in the book. So those things I will complete today. I will explore, learn, and conquer the fundamentals of integers today. And this is me, Abu Zafor, instructor and author. And my work is to making math simple, easy, and fun for all. Let's see how the question comes and how those should be answered. So today's objectives of this class is what we learn today. First, you see the objectives: understand the fundamentals of integers and their applications. They learn essential rules of integer operations and like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Then discover tips and techniques to solve challenging integer problems and explore common mistakes and how to avoid them in integer calculations, and build confidence in handling a wide variety of integer related questions. A lot of things today, our objectives. So we're going, this class is going to be very much important one for you. So first, let's start with the integer. So what are integers? The answer can be integers are the whole numbers that can be positive, negative, or zero. I have mentioned them already. And no fractions or decimal. Remember, integers are the only whole numbers. There will be no fractions or decimal. So I have showed here one number line, and here you can see on the number line there are negative numbers on the left side of zero, positive numbers on the right side of zero. All these including zero, all these are integers. So examples, you can put anything like from here, like -4, -3, 2, like 0, 1, 2, 3, anything. So first, let's start with how do we add and subtract integers. How do we add and subtract integers? Addition and subtraction rules of integers. In my first class, I have discussed them. So I have again put it very nicely, arranged it in front of you. See addition and subtraction rules. Two positive things, if you add together, it will be positive. Negative, if the both negative, it will be negative. And when it is positive and negative, the larger sign you have to carry. So here also you see examples of addition here. 5 plus 7, 12, minus 5 minus 7, it will be minus 12. 5 minus 7 here, minus 7 is greater number, so it will be minus 2 here, absolute value. And then minus 5 plus 7, it will be plus 2 here. Subtraction example also, if you have the subtractions problems, first you have to remove the bracket. And after that removing bracket, you have to check it. Like here, minus minus multiply plus, 4 plus 6, 10, minus 4 minus 6 minus 12, like 4 minus 6 minus 2, and here also minus 4 plus 6 plus 2, because the larger number is 6, so it will be plus 2. So one question I have set here for practicing here, you see, you solve a number 5 plus minus 3 and b number minus 7 minus 2. Let's solve it. So first one, copy the question, and you see 5 is positive, minus 3 is negative. So this is like, if you remove the bracket, plus minus multiply to be minus. So 5 minus 3, it will be 2 answer. 2 is positive. The greater sign, the greater, larger sign will come here. Next problem number 2, as it mentioned here, minus 7 minus 2. So this 2 minus will be plus. So minus 7 plus 2, it will be minus 5, because the greater sign will carry. So one challenge for you, can you solve it? And you should try it yourself in your exercise copy and check it later. My dear students, now the question is, what are the rules of multiplying and dividing integers? So this is the multiplication rules. So very easily it is presented here. You see multiplication of two positive numbers, the result will be positive. Multiplication of two negative numbers, the result will be positive. And if you multiply opposite numbers like positive with negative or negative with positive, the result will be negative. So division rules you see side by side I have presented here. If you divide two positive numbers, the result will be always positive. If you divide two negative numbers, suppose negative number by negative number, the answer will be positive. And they are also positive or negative. If you change, the result will be negative. So see one question for you. I have given one question, solve a number, this one and this one. Let's see, first a number, will solve it. Minus 4 multiply 3, this is positive number, this is negative number. So if you multiply, you can check it, it will be negative. Okay, so minus 12 will be answer. Now second question, this one, minus 6 divided by minus 2, both the negative, if you divide by negative, Like here you see, it will be positive. So the answer will be positive 3. So one challenge for you, can you solve it yourself? I think you can solve it according to the rules of this here. You have to multiply 12 with -4 and you have to divide -15 by -5. So my dear student, now the topic is how do you represent integers on a number line? So this is number line. Okay, so you can see the straight line with this arrows and in both, and here the integers are here. In the middle it will be 0 and right side will be increasing 1 2 3 4, and left side it will be decreasing 1 -1 -2 -3 -4. So this is the number line and you have to present the number like this. So question number 1, suppose mark the following integers -5 0 4 on the number line. If the question comes like this, how you should answer? You have to draw a number line, you have to present 0 at the middle, neutral number. After that you have to count positive numbers on the right side, 1 2 3 4. So 4 will be here, and -1 -2 -3 -4 -5. So -5 will be here, placed here. So this is a location of -5, location of 4 and 0. Question number 2, what are positive and negative integers? You know very well that left of this 0, all these are negative, left right of this 0, all are positive. So how should you answer? Positive integers are greater than 0. So greater than 0, all are positive integers. Real life examples like climbing floors, plus 3 while you are moving to the lift or the elevator, you see plus 3 means you are going up above 0. Negative integers are less than 0. They are below 0. Like real life examples can be temperature drop -5 degrees Celsius. So below 0. So absolute value of integer, very important term. This is what are the absolute value of an integer. So absolute value, the distance of a number from 0 on a number line is the absolute value of the number. So always it will be positive. Absolute value means the value of the number will be positive. Like here you see the example, absolute value of 4 will be 4 and absolute value of -5 will be 5. So it means 4 is how much away from 0? 4 steps. 5 is -5 is how much away from 0? 5 steps. So if you check your number line, you see 0 is here, 4 is here, the absolute value is 4 is 4, and the absolute value of -4 is 5 because it is 5 steps away from 0. So let's solve a similar question of this. Like question 1, add 7 plus -3. In absolute, we have to find out the absolute value of this. So copy the question. So it will be absolute value of 7 will be 7, plus sign, absolute value of -3 will be 3. The answer will be 10. So my dear students, one challenge for you. Can you solve this one? Very easy. -6 absolute value you have to find out, -9 absolute value you have to find out. After that, you have to add together. Now, how do you compare integers? So integers on the right side on a number line is greater than the left. So if you compare between two numbers, you have to check which one is right side of that will be greater. Like 7 is right of 4 in a number line, so 7 is greater. -1 is right of -5, so -1 is greater. So if the question comes like here, arrange 6 -3 -1 4 0 -5 in ascending order. So you should first take the lowest value -5, then the -3 -1, then 0 4 6. This is the increasing order. So this is the ascending order, we have arranged it. Question number 2, what are the properties of integers operation? There are properties of integers operation. First properties is commutative law. You see a plus b equal to b plus a, or a multiply b equal to b multiply a. So like this. B number associative law, you see a plus b plus c equal to, we can write like a plus b plus c. And third one, distributive law, you see a multiply b plus c equal to, we can write a multiply b plus a multiply c. So these are the three laws of property. So my dear students, so thank you so much. Today you have enjoyed this class and I have discussed different types of important questions what comes frequently, and the curiosity of the students, what they search and they search in the books, they face problems. So I tried my best to answer all the questions here. So keep practicing, stay curious and enjoy mastering the mathematics. Follow us on Facebook and YouTube for more exciting content, and stay tuned for the next class. So till that, thank you so much.